Hello everyone, welcome back to another problem tutorial from our Chapter 5 problem tutorial series for Financial Management BUS 223. In this video we're going to be looking at problem number 23, which says a local bank will pay you $100 a year for your lifetime if you deposit $2,500 in the bank today. If you plan to live forever, what interest rate is the bank paying? Cool. So clearly from the question, what we're looking at here is a perpetuity scenario. So for that, we're going to need the perpetuity formula, which says present value equals the cash flow or the payments divided by R. Okay. But what we want to find, we have the present value, okay, and we have the cash flows. We want to find R. So we can play around with our formula. Okay, so multiply both sides by R, it will become present value multiplied by R equals the cash flow. And now we'll divide both sides by the present value because we want to get our unknown value, the value that we are trying to calculate, to be on its own on one side of the equation. Okay, so I'll divide both sides by present value, which will make my formula like this. R equals cash flow divided by the present value, right? Because these two terms will cancel each other out. All right? Now all I need to do is just substitute with the inputs that I'm given in the question. So we know the cash flow, we know the present value, right? That means R equals $100 divided by 2,500. Okay, turn to our calculators. 100 divided by 2,500, that is 0.04, which equals 4%. Okay, that's it for this exercise. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This is how you answer problem number 23. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments. And until I see you in the next problem tutorial, keep on learning, and I wish you the best of luck.